Welcome back. Now also within the image tab, there is also a share drop-down menu box. And you're going to see all of the ways in which you can share and output your file. And you're going to see first desktop related formats. You're also going to see program related formats also in your desktop. And then you're also going to see cloud-based services. Within there you also have, if you own Camtasia and TechSmith Relay, you can output your content into those two TechSmith related programs. Now in this video, we're going to cover the form or file related objects. So for example, we can output or share our content in the form of a file. So what we'll do here is we're then going to capture the image. And what we're going to do is we're going to change it to a specific region. Now before we capture the region, we're going to specify a specific file. We're going to click our gear, and then we're going to determine the file type. Now this file is turned into a PDF. What we're then going to do is we're going to make sure that this is going to be an automatic file name. We're going to create our file naming settings. Once we do that, we're going to click OK. And basically, we've now set parameters for this to be shared into a file. We're then going to click Capture. We're now going to capture a specific area. And we're then going to allow our content to be created. Now what you'll notice is that you have the editor where you can then save the content into the form that you want. However, what we want to do is we want to have the file created automatically. So what we're going to do is we're going to minimize our Snagit editor. And we're going to turn off Preview in Editor. Now what we want to do is we then want to capture the same information. We want it to be shared into a specific file. We're now going to choose the folder where we want our content to be shared. Now once we've done that, we're then going to click Capture. We're then going to capture our image again. And this time, our file will then be created automatically. And what you'll notice is that we have turned off the editor preview. Now what we should be able to do is to go to our folder and find the file that we just created. And you'll see our file here that we created. If we double click it, you'll see the PDF file that we created. Now what we can also do is we can also save our content into email, into our document to be printed, and into our FTP format. Now, next video, we're going to look at moving our file into applications resident on our personal computer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.